So this is a Model B Raspberry Pi. So if we start by just looking at where the connectors are, so we know where everything is. On the end here we have our USB ports and our Ethernet connection for the network. We have our HDMI port to connect to our monitor, our power in through a micro USB port. On the underside then we have our SD card slot where we'll put in our memory card. There's a couple of other connectors on the top here, like our camera port and of course our GPIO, but we'll look at those much later in the series. So let's make a start at plugging this thing together and getting it powered on. As I said in the text, we'll need a USB keyboard to begin with. So I'm going to use one of these wireless keyboard setups with this little USB dongle, and that just plugs into any of the 4 USB ports on the side there. Next we'll need to have our SD card. So I have an SD card here which is programmed up with the Noobs operating system, and that will just slot then into the bottom of the board like so. Our monitor connects via an HDMI cable coming into here, and really that's all we need then to get this thing started up. So make sure everything's plugged in, make sure everything's connected in securely, and then simply apply some power. So I'm plugging that in, and you'll see that our board starts to power up. And you'll see these little status LEDs over here showing you the progress.